you, but we have had 14 days this month with at least a trace of rain, which means we've only had 4 completely dry days the entire month of June. And we're not going to have a dry day today. Another first alert weather day as more storms roll in later this morning. You can see this bowing line of storms out ahead of this cold front. That's going to knock on our door, come around 9, 10 o'clock in far northwest Georgia, and then move through metro throughout the early afternoon. That'll keep temperatures in the mid-80s today. Let's time everything out hour by hour for you. Here's a look at 11 o'clock. Storms rolling into northwest Georgia, Floyd, Chattooga, Fannin counties, and then storms will take over from the mountains into downtown Atlanta, down to Carroll County. Along this line of storms, though broken, we could have an isolated strong to severe storm with gusty wind, heavy rain, frequent lightning. If you do have to commute to and from work today, a few showers mainly along and south of the 85 corridor will be possible for that evening commute, but for the most part, we'll be drying out the back half of the day. The physical cold front moves in later tonight. That could bring a few storms to the mountains after sunset tonight. Not expecting much of any severe weather with that, but still some gusty wind possible in those storms. Beyond today, we turn up the heat. Low 90s for the first official day of summer. We're staying dry through the upcoming weekend. Haven't been able to say that in a while, with highs in the low 90s, and then we're in the mid 90s through next week with a few isolated storms possible Tuesday and Wednesday. Finally bringing this very rainy and stormy pattern to an end going into this upcoming weekend. All right, let's get a check.